So today we're going to plan a party with a budget of $100. And you can invite however many people you want and purchase whatever you want as long as you're $100 or under, okay? So, for example, if you have 24 people coming and you want to buy party hats, so the party hats, as you can see on the party supplies, they are 2 for $6. So we have 2 for $6, and we're trying to get to 24, okay? So what should we do to 6 to get to 24?
Divide.
Well, 6 to 24, is it getting bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
So that means that we have to multiply, okay? So 6 times what gives us 24?
4.
Yes, so 6 times 4. So now we have to do this to this side because we have to balance it out. What we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So 2 times 4 gives us
8.
So if we want to buy party hats for 24 people, we have to spend $8 on them. Okay? So what you're gonna decide however your party wants to be. Okay? So you have a party planner and you have a party supply list. And you get to decide however you want your party to be. So on your party planning, we have what theme you want your party to be, how many people are you going to invite? Are you going to be serving beverages? Are you going to have food and snacks? Are you going to serve dessert? Is it going to be homemade or store-bought? Are you going to hand out goodie bags? Are you going to have a party games? Are you going to use decorations? Or are you going to have entertainment? And then on your supply items, you have balloons, party hats, plates, cups, plastics, forks. You have everything that you're going to need for a party. Okay? So go ahead and fill out the party planning, and here's a sheet of paper if you need one. And then go ahead and decide what you want on your party and how many people you want to invite. Yeah. So right here, do you want a certain theme on your party?
No.
No? Okay, so you put no for theme. Okay, so how many people do you want to invite?
20.
20? Okay, so write 20. Okay, so are you going to serve beverages? Okay, so right here you can have soda or fruit punch. Okay, so the soda costs us $2 each. So each $2 liter bottle costs us $2. Or you can have a fruit punch, which is $2 per gallon. So which one do you want?
Soda.
Soda? Okay, you can start soda so you can know that you're going to. Okay, and then so you're going to serve soda. Okay, so what food and snacks are you going to serve? So you have cake, store-bought cake, homemade cake, store-bought cupcakes, homemade cupcakes, ice cream, pizza, fruit and veggie trays. So which one of those do you wanna, what kind of food and snacks are you gonna serve?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Okay, so star ice cream. Okay, so write ice cream here. Okay, and what else? Is it just gonna be ice cream?
Yes.
Yes, so you're gonna have an ice cream party? Okay, maybe that's your theme. Your theme is ice cream. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so, oh, the desserts that you're gonna serve. So I guess you're just gonna serve ice cream?
I want to serve cake.
Cake?
Also cake.
Ice cream and cake sound good. Okay, do you want a store-bought cake or a homemade cake? So 20 for the store-bought cake serves 10 people, but the homemade cake, you have $5 that serves 10 people.
The homemade cake.
Homemade cake? Okay. That one is cheaper. Okay, so write homemade cake. Okay. So are you going to choose homemade or store-bought? So you just circle which one you're going to. We're gonna do homemade. Okay, so do you want to hand out goodie bags? So the goodie bags, the party favor bags. So $1 for 8 people.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So go ahead and start the party favor bags. Okay, so say yes. Okay. Are you gonna have any party games? So party games, you're gonna have to kind of have to estimate it.
No.
No? Okay. So put no on the party games. Did you want to have any decorations?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what kind of decorations do you want?
Like balloons.
Okay. So balloons. There's balloons there.
I think that's good.
That's good? Okay, so decorations, put balloons. Okay, so are you going to have any entertainment? Like, so there's like a piñata, candy to fill the piñata, pin the tail on the donkey, party favors. Did you want to have any of those stuff?
I want the candy to fill piñata.
The candy to fill piñata? Okay, so are you going to have the piñata too or just the candy?
Just the candy.
Just the candy? Okay, so put candy to fill piñata. Okay, so go ahead and star the candy to fill the piñata. Okay, so now let's go over the party supplies. Do you want party hats? You're gonna need some plates because, you know, and then do you need cups, plastics, and napkins?
Yes.
Okay, so star which ones you want to use. You want some plates? Okay.
And cups.
No. Okay. Did you want some forks?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta eat the cake. Okay, so we're gonna use all of those things. So now we're gonna go to our budget. Okay, so we have to make sure that everything costs us $100 or less. Okay, so we're gonna fill out the item, the price per item, and how many we need. So the price per item, we're gonna figure out how much does it cost for one thing. Okay, and then the total, that way we can multiply 1 times how many we need and we can get the total cost. Okay, so let's write the, first let's do the balloons. Okay, so how much does one balloon cost?
50 cents each.
Okay, so it costs us 50 cents. Okay, and how many balloons did you want to have?
20.
20? Okay, so write 20, because that's how many you want. So how much would it cost for your balloons?
$10.
10? How did you get 10?
Because I was adding it.
You're adding it? What were you adding? 50 cents?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're doing 50 cents?
The 50 cents equals $1.
Mm-hmm.
So then 50 cents plus other 50 cents equals $2.
Okay.
And then I keep going.
You kept going and you got $10? Yes. So that is $10. Okay, so let's do the next one. So we want plates, okay? Okay, so how much are the plates?
$2 for 8.
Okay, so we have $2 for 8. Okay, so how many plates do we need?
20 plates.
20. And we need 20 plates because why?
There's 20 people that are
Right.
invited.
You can't have less. You maybe can have more. So we need 20 of them, right? Okay. So for $2 we get 8 plates. Okay? So for $4, how many plates do we get?
We get 12.
We get, well, okay, so what do we do to 2 to get to 4?
Multiply it
What do we multiply by?
by 2.
Okay. So since we're multiplying 2 by 4, what do we need to do to 8?
Multiply it by 2.
Okay. So what's 8 times 2?
16.
Okay. So we get 16. So we're getting really close to 20, right? So how much would $6 give us? How many plates would we get?
20.
20. Okay. So we go from 8 to 16, right? So how do we get from 2 to 6?
Multiply it by 3.
We're going to multiply by 3. So what is 8 times 3?
24.
Yes. So since the plates come in packages of 8, we can't rip it up and just say, oh, well, I just need 20, so don't give me the whole thing. I just want 20. So we have to buy the whole thing. Okay? So in order for us to get at least 20 plates, we have to purchase the 24 one because 16 is too small. We can't have 16 plates and tell them to share. Okay? So we'll have 24. So how much is it going to cost for us?
$6.
Yes. It's going to cost us $6. Okay, so what's the next one?
Cups.
Okay, so write cups. Okay, so how much do the cups cost?
$2 for 8.
Okay, so that's the same as our plates, right? Okay, so write that down. Okay, and how many are we going to need?
20.
Okay. How much is that going to cost us?
6.
$6. And why is it going to cost us $6?
Because it was the same as the plate.
Right. So we have to get 3 of them, and since 3 of them cost $2, we're going to multiply 2 by 3. Okay, so what's the next one?
Plastic forks.
Okay, plastic forks. Okay, so how much are the plastic forks?
$2 for 50.
Okay. So write that on the price per items. Okay, and how many are we going to need?
20.
Okay. So I guess we're always going to need 20 because we're going to have 20 people. Okay, so how much money are we going to have to spend?
$2.
$2. Why?
Because there's enough. Because there's 50 and we just need 20.
Right. Okay, so $2. Okay, so the next one, napkins. Okay, so how much are the napkins?
$2 for 100.
Yes. Okay, and we're gonna need how many?
20.
Yes. Okay, and how much is that gonna cost us?
$2.
Okay, so let's go to the cake because we're gonna make homemade cake. Okay. Okay, how much does a cake cost?
It costs us $5 and it serves 10 people.
Okay, so $5 for 10 people. Okay, and how much do we need?
We need 20.
Okay. So how much cake do we need to buy?
We need to buy the $10 because how we have 20 and $5 serves 10 people. So the total cost is 10.
The total cost is 10. Okay. So now let's go to ice cream. What do you want to some ice cream, right? So
$3 per half gallon.
Mm-hmm. Do you know how much a half a gallon looks like?
Yeah.
Yeah. So does that feed your family?
No.
No. How much do you think, how many gallons do you think you're going to need?
I think we need 2 gallons.
2 gallons? Okay. So how much would our cost be if we're going to need 2 gallons? If it's $3 for half a gallon.
12.
So, and how did you do that?
I multiplied 3 by 4
Mm-hmm. And why did you multiply by 4?
because I will get 2 gallons,
Mm-hmm.
and then half a gallon, and then half a gallon, and then another half a gallon, and then another half a gallon.
And that gives you?
4.
Yes. So you're going to, how much money are you going to spend?
12.
Yes. Perfect. Okay, so let's go to soda. So soda costs us $2 for a 2-liter bottle. You know how the 2 liters are kind of like the big ones,
Yeah.
the big sodas? How many 2-liter sodas do you think you're gonna need to?
I think 2.
So you're gonna get 2 liters.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So how much money would you spend?
4.
Okay. So we're almost done. So now we're gonna buy the candy.
Can.
Okay. So how much does the candy cost?
$3 per 50 pieces.
Okay.
So
Okay. And how much candies do you want?
I think I want 100 pieces.
100 pieces? Okay. So how much do you need to buy?
So how it's gonna be 100 pieces? It's gonna be $6.
It's gonna be $6. Okay, the last one. So we want bags. Okay, so party favor bags. So that costs how much?
$1 for 8.
Okay, $1 for 8. Okay, and how many do you think we're gonna need?
I think we need the $4
We're gonna need $4. And how did you get to that?
because I multiplied it. 4 times 8 equals 24.
Yes. So we're gonna need $4. Okay, so it looks like we're done doing our supplies and our costs. So let's add this up and see what we get here, okay?
So 10
Mm-hmm.
plus this 10 equals 20.
Mm-hmm.
Plus this 32.
Mm-hmm.
And then 34, 36, 40,
Mm-hmm.
46,
Mm-hmm.
50, and then 56.
Mm-hmm. And we're still missing 1 6. No.
Oh, 62.
Yes. So we're gonna your total is 62. So you're still under your budget. Is there more stuff that you wanted to buy?
I want pizza.
You want pizza? Okay. So let's add pizza here. Okay, so how much is the pizza?
It's $8 per pie. It's 8 slices.
Okay. So $8 for 8 slices, basically. Or $8, yeah.
Yeah.
So write that for your price. Okay. And how many pizzas do you need to buy?
I want 30 pizzas. Wait. 30 slices.
30 slices? Okay, so how do you get from 8 to 30? Okay.
So it's $30 because each slice is $1 because
Well, remember, they don't sell you the slice, they sell you the pie. But we know that a pie is 8
slices.
8 slices. Did you want everybody to have how many slices?
2.
2 slices? So that means at least how many slices do you need if everybody's going to get 2?
40.
40. Okay. So how much, let's fill this out. So $8 is for one pie, which is 8 slices. So how much would it cost if you had $16? So if we wanted it to be, if it was $16, how many slices would you get?
16.
Okay.
2 pies.
So write that down. Okay. So we need to get some more. So what's double of 16?
32.
So underneath, right, if we get double the slices, how many pies are we going to have?
Do I write it on? Like the sentence?
Oh, no. Just write like 2. If we do double the slices, which gives us 32, right? How many pies are we going to have?
4.
Okay. And how much money would that cost us?
32.
Okay, so we're really close to 40, right? So how much more do we need to get to 40?
8 more slices.
8 more slices.
1 pie.
1 pie. Okay, so in order for us to get 5 pies, which is going to give us 40 slices, how much is that going to cost us?
It's going to cost 40.
40? Okay. So that's how much it's going to cost us, 40. So what's our total now?
102.
102. Did you want to cancel something, or what did you want to cancel? So we know that, well, we need plastic and forks, right? So what can you get rid of that cost us $2?
Probably I'll get rid of these because there's already candy.
Okay, so you're going to get rid of some party bags? Okay. Are you going to get rid of all of them?
Yeah.
All of them? Okay, so we're just going to cancel out the party bags. Okay. So now how much money have we spent?
$98.
$98. So you're under $100 and you're good. Okay? So our total is going to be now 98. Okay? And we're done.